Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to change your gender on your Google account. Open your favorite browser. Go to accounts.google.com. In the left sidebar, click on Personal Info. Now under Basic Info section, click on Gender. Select your gender. Now choose who can see your gender. That's it. You have successfully changed your gender on your Google account. This is how you can change your gender on your Google account. Thank you for watching.